Today, let's make Malaysian style honey roasted chicken, or also known as Ayam Bakar Madu. Someone said ABM? ABM? Yeah, Ayam Bakar Madu. ABM! It's going to be delicious, spicy, sweet, slightly tangy. It's definitely going to be mouth-watering. Now, this is an Asian version, or to be exact, a Malaysian version of a honey roasted chicken, which is very different from your traditional Western style honey roasted chicken where you use your butter, your herbs, honey. It's very clean, it's very sort of herbaceous, but this is going to be something that's a little bit more bold, a little bit spicy, because we Malaysians, I believe, we're like chili devils. We love everything with chilies. So it's something that I recommend you to try if you want something that's gonna excite your palate. All right, first of all, what we're gonna do is we're gonna start with the marinade. Now, the marinade is nice and blended. Let's give it a little taste. Woo! Packs a bunch of heat, but it's perfect for a marination. All right, so we're gonna separate the marination into two portions. So 2/3 of the marinade is gonna go onto the chicken now, and we're gonna save 1/3 to use for basting later on. Now you want to make sure you marinate this chicken for at least 3 hours. Better still if you can marinate this overnight to make sure there's enough flavor penetration. Now I'm using the Philips Essential XL air fryer for this. If you don't have an air fryer, you can do it in a conventional oven. All right, so I'm just gonna preheat the air fryer to 150 degrees for 3 minutes just to get the environment inside the air fryer nice and hot. All right, so now I'm going to set the air fryer to 150 degrees Celsius. And the time we're going for is 30 minutes. Yeah, because there's a lot of sugar content in the marinade. You've got honey, you've got oyster sauce, you've got soy sauce, and you've also got chili powder. So those are all the ingredients that sort of will caramelize very, very fast if the temperature is too high, and that will make our chicken sort of burnt on the outside. That's not what we're going for. So we're going for low and slow. All right, press play and let this baby do its work. Now for the first 20 minutes, we're not gonna touch it. Let the chicken slowly cook. And then 20 minutes onwards, every 5 minutes, we're going to be glazing this chicken on the surface. Now I love this Philips Essential XL air fryer because it's big enough, you can fit a whole bird inside. So it's perfect for feeding a family. Now, if you don't have an air fryer, once again, you can also do it in a conventional oven. Set the temperature to 150 degrees and let it go for at least 45 minutes, 45 to 50 minutes, okay? You can start glazing past the 30-minute mark. Now, there's one more ingredient we're gonna add to the basting sauce, which is lemon juice. This is gonna give nice sort of fresh balance to the sweetness from the marinade, a nice sort of lemony zing to this dish. So now it's 20 seconds away from the chicken being done. I'm so excited to see what it looks like on the inside. Actually, I'm more excited to just eat this bird. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and this is done. Look at that, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, and it It smells absolutely amazing. Now, I'm gonna let this chicken rest for a little bit while I prepare some chilies that will go well together with this roasted chicken. All right, let's just peel this out. Oh, look at that juicy chicken. And you barely needed a knife to tear it apart. And now let's go all Viking, baby. Right. Good Lord. I mean, come on. The chili gives it a nice burn in the back of the throat. You've got the honey coming through that is sweet, but then you also have that glaze that has sort of lemon in there that sort of gives this nice zing to this chicken. And it just goes so well with, I love like roasted chilies or roasted peppers, because once you roast it, right, you get sort of nice and sweet. Perfect match. Look at that, perfectly cooked. The juice is just dripping off the flesh. If you have a chance to marinate this chicken overnight, you really get the deep flavor penetration into the bird, and that's just going to take this dish into a whole new level. So it's got this nice sort of balance of sweet, a little bit tangy, spicy, savory, absolutely delicious. Well guys, as you know, Hari Raya is coming around the corner, or even if you want to use this recipe for Ramadan, it's something that is so easy to prep. Get the chicken, marinate it until you're ready to buka puasa, chuck it into the air fryer or into the oven, let the appliance do the work, and then once you're ready to buka puasa, the chicken is ready. Your family can eat, right? Enjoy yourselves, guys. Enjoy this recipe. I hope you try it. If you do, please let me know in the comments down below what you think of it. And guys, don't forget, if you've enjoyed this content, you think it's added value to you, please do click the like and subscribe button. Really appreciate the support. And I'll see you next time, guys. Take care, guys. Ciao.